Hello everyone, it's Alex again with Banging Your Head Until the Right Answer Comes Out. In my laundry list of things to cover, we've created an RDS SQL Server. We've created a Windows EC2 instance. We've configured the security groups for both of them so that I can only access them from the outside from my IP address. There are other ways to do this. We could set up a VPN, and that's out of the scope for now, but we'll probably cover that in a later lesson. We've connected to our EC2 instance with remote desktop, and our next step is to install SSMS on your EC2 instance so that we can start to manipulate things inside of SQL Server. So our next step here is to go ahead and go to remote desktop. Let's go to EC2 here, go to instances, and click on our instance. Here we go. It's 193-79. We'll do a drop down here, and it's this one. And we'll hit connect. Alright. We'll just log in with my password that I changed last time. And there we go. We are in like Flynn. Now, unfortunately, or fortunately, Windows has put a lot of safety precautions inside of the web browser, which makes it very hard to do things that we need to do. And one of those things is to download SSMS and install it. Now, we could perhaps have put the install in an S3 bucket and pulled that data into the Windows Server, and we'll probably do that sometime. For now, though, we're going to temporarily disable some of the security in Internet Explorer, which I find myself very odd even saying Internet Explorer in 2020, but there it is. So we're going to click Custom Level, and then we're going to scroll down here. Downloads, there we go. Whoops, we passed it. Alright, and we're just going to click on Enable here. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit Yes. OK. And now we should be able to download some things. It's still probably going to annoy us with a lot of things, but at least we'll be able to do what we need to do, which is install Chrome. Weird thing to warn people about. So Bing, we'll add it. Now my computer is struggling a bit right now because of the video recording, and I think it's impacting how well this is working. There we go. Let's just close that. And close that. See, this is highly irritating. And so when we talk about AWS and running things as services, really you get to avoid a lot of this stuff with the setup of the machine. But anyway, at least the funny thing is, Internet Explorer, your job is to install Chrome. Close. Of course, when you do this, you get to see all the different things that are trying to connect to you other than just what you're trying to use. It's a little disturbing. You can probably watch every single thing I'm doing. And you're probably wondering, why has he done this twice today? Okay, so, oh, goodness. installing software that you need shouldn't be this difficult. Here we go. Bring up our Chrome here. Which Chrome has its problems too, but alright. SSMS is one of the most useful tools, and it's a tool I've used in, I think, every job I've been in for the past 20 years. There we go. This is our guy. So don't be too concerned about matching the version of SSMS to your SQL Server. There are certain circumstances where that is important. However, it isn't right now. You know, if we're going to use SSIS packages, then you want your SSMS to match the package for the SQL Server. Still can't talk yet. I'm learning though. Huzzah! It is done. So we click close. And let's go ahead and open it up. That was so odd. I just installed this on another EC2 instance, and SQL Server Management Studio was right up there as soon as I was done. Anyway, tiny differences we can definitely overcome. That's very familiar. Okay, we will have to fast forward a lot. But anyway. Hi everyone. What followed after that was a train wreck. So, instead of showing you me banging my head against the wall until I figured everything out, I'm going to make a new video after this and show you exactly what needs to happen in order to get this to work properly.